Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can contact the customer support of the Temu website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the Temu. So as you can see, if you want to sell the products, you can also do that. These all types of products are provided here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to this support option. So let's click on the support option. Now you need to choose that which type of support you want. You have to go, if you want to go to the support center, you have to click on this option. If you want to go to the safety center, if you want to chat with the Temu purchase protection, privacy and cookies policies. For example, I'm going to chat with Temu. If you want to discuss any kind of issue, you can also do that. Simply you have to provide the queries here. For example, I'm going to write how to place an order, and then you have to press the enter, and after pressing enter you will be able to see the answer. So as you can see, it's writing the answer. You can ask any type of question which you are facing here. Could you please share more details to how help you assist? As you can see, you can also write the answer here. You can mention each and everything. So in this way you can contact the customer support of the Temu website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can contact this customer support, which is very easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.